this journey we will find our souls begin.
Hey guys, I'm Renata, welcome back to my channel. So today I got my new order from Beauty and I have the new NYX Bear With Me foundation, skin veil, and my Huda Beauty. This is the Neon collection and I have the orange one. I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, so gorgeous. Guys, this is insane how beautiful this palette is. I can't wait to try this on. But first of all, let's get started with the face. I don't know, do I even need a primer with this skin veil? Oh, this is like a primer too. Fresh face look, evens out skin tone, provides seamless coverage, breathable, weightless, skinless, doesn't stick. I think I can have a primer too. One of the favorite primer from Rimmel. This is Fix and Perfect. So good, you guys. It's creamy, moisturized, and I heard that very similar to Becca primer. It's a little thick but creamy. I have a textured skin. I really need primer which can fill out the pores. God, can you see the creepiness on my neck? This is what you have when you have a period and you want to extract something on your neck. Don't touch your neck. I'm gonna use my Nivea lip butter for my lips. I don't like this packaging because it's always so hard to open this. It looks like that. It's like it had vanilla, macadamia, vanilla, macadamia oils. I think that's it. The next step is this little guy. I'm so excited about it. I've heard so much good things about this, and I have a golden camel shade. I definitely need some more because I have some redness here and here, but I love it. It's really like skin looking, really. Let's see what happened after second layer. And I definitely need some to cover this mess up.
Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and
it really looks like skin. I love it, but not full coverage, so I'm gonna cover this mess too and go for the second layer. I always start like this and end up like that. Okay, this is the second layer. It's much better, I think. I just apply a little bit on my sponge. So yeah, this is it. I love it so much. Okay, let's go ahead and apply concealer. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Concealing Define C6. I want to apply just a little bit, maybe here.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine.
I want to apply a little bit more, like here, to snatch my nose. For the contour, I'm going to use this BH Studio Pro Concealer in 121, and I love to apply it on my arm.
Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, so.
Okay, I think I just tried a little bit here so I can build up a little bit more light concealer. I'm gonna fix my creams with this Colourpop translucent no filter setting powder. A little on my eyes. Maybe on the tip of my nose, a little bit. I really want to do a video of powders to show you some powders that I have, compare them, and look how they wears. Okay, let's go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna use my Precisely my brow pencil by Benefit number 4. I don't know if it's enough for one time, or even one time. I think it's not. Okay guys, I'm gonna switch it up. It's done. I'm gonna use my Colourpop Brow Boss Pencil Brunette. It's super lightweight and I think it's better for like no makeup look. You really have time to build it up, but if you want natural looking brows, it's really good. It has a spoolie on the other. Oh my god, what the spoolie is. Here is it. It has a spoolie on the other side. My skin looks so great, you guys. I'm liking it. I think I really need something more bold, so I'm gonna use this guy right here. I use all of the time. And it has a little brush which is so good, you guys. It narrow enough, like detailing enough. And it has a spoolie here, and it has 2 powders, light and dark, and the wax, which is really, you know, I'm using it not as a wax but as a pomade. It's so creamy and, you know, pigmented. Yeah.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and
we're gonna fix them with a Ready Set Brow by Benefit. This is my go-to product. I can't live without it.
Gold's forged to inspire. It's starfire.
I'm going to apply my Bourjois This is the powder bronzer and illuminator, but I don't like this illuminator. It looks like so chalky, and I don't know what is it. It's not like it's nothing, but I do really like this bronze side. I think it's so, you know, lightweight, and you really have to, you know, take your time and build it a little more. But because of that, it applies so, I don't know, even, and it's not patchy. It's super cool, super even. And then just build this up a little more. And I love the shade. It's really good. I have 55 shade, and I'm going like this. It's not powdery. You can see that you can never go wrong with it. You can't, you know, makes a spot with it. And for the blush, I'm going to use my Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. This is the first time I'm going to try this. It's pretty old. I mean, this is the old collection, and it was super hyped. Fix it. Okay, let's go ahead and do eyes. I actually don't even know what I want to do. Let's try this first. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I love this yellow. Oh, so beautiful. The next, I'm gonna try some mattes first. This, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, so pretty. Whoa, I love it. I want to apply this piece like near to pink. This is more like purple pink. And this is like peachy pink, and this is like more red. These beautiful shimmery shades. Oh, so pretty, guys. It has like blue and green, orange, yellow, every shade. Sparkle. This rose, so beautiful. This yellow, oh my god. I want everything on my eyes now. Maybe I'm gonna go with this shade first. This one a little bit more like on the crease, precisely, a little more precisely, you know. I want this pink one.
Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and
so beautiful, bright shade. I'm in love with it.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire.
It blends really nicely. If you can see, it makes, you know, the shades and blends really nicely. Okay, I did my under eyes with this shade and this shade and this shade together, and I go with this shade and build a little more. And then I'm gonna go with this shade, this pretty shade, and oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to what? I want to add a yellow shade on the inner corners. I'm gonna curl my eyes first, or I mean eyes, lashes, mascaras, I think I'm gonna add some Ardell individuals, just like for the inner corner of my eye. And I love this nut-free individuals because they are so like looking so natural.
Journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so
I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara on top, and my eyes are done. SophX and Makeup Revolution. This champagne and this bronzy shades kind of together. Really nice. Really nice. I love it. Not patchy, not glittery, just as I wanted. So gorgeous.
divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my...
I'm gonna take Kylie in the shade Hazel. Oh my god. I'm gonna use my Colourpop 951. Oh my god. What's wrong with my makeup today?
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking.
Okay guys, this is the finished look finally. I have some earrings, I made it by myself. And here I have the pink shell and yellow shell. pink and yellow. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire.